Hello kids, let's learn ABCD with numbers. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. A. A for apple. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. C. C for cat. D. D for duck. D. D for duck. E. E for egg. E. E for egg. F. F for frog. F. F for frog. G. G for grapes. G. G for grapes. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 0. O for octopus. O for octopus. P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rose. R for rose. R for rose. S. S for sheep. S for sheep. S for sheep. T. T for train. T for train. U. U for uniform. U for uniform. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. 11. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 14. Bye bye kids.